Range Rover. Two words synonymous with absolute luxury, refinement, and unrivaled capability. We haven't set out to reimagine Range Rover, we've simply made it better. With its floating roofline, continuous waistline, and lower accent graphics, the smoother bonnet gives the car a more sleek and sophisticated stance, while the new grille shows the exquisite attention to detail. Inside, the new Range Rover is the embodiment of executive-class travel. Cutting-edge technology is combined with the finest British craftsmanship and ingenious stowage solutions to produce our most luxurious cabin ever. The new Touch Pro Duo infotainment system is the sleek centerpiece of the sophisticated cabin. Wider, deeper cushioned seats create an unrivaled level of comfort. The long wheelbase features 186 millimeters of additional legroom, and the executive class seats provide the ultimate rear passenger experience. Sleek redesigned headlights enhance the commanding upright stance of the new Range Rover, and now feature LED technology for greater efficiency and durability. At the rear, the new LED taillights have a self-assured simplicity. Dynamic integrated exhausts complement the new Range Rover's elegant looks and further enhance the vehicle's iconic design. The new Range Rover features Touch Pro Duo. This sleek and engaging infotainment system has two 10-inch touchscreens. The upper screen is the infotainment hub, whilst the lower screen includes climate controls and direct input to the seat settings. The rear seat entertainment system allows passengers to access their own multimedia entertainment through the 10.2-inch HD touchscreen, which delivers an outstanding level of interactivity. The all-new Pixel LED headlights produce a beam made up of 144 LEDs that responds to multiple light sources. The system can shadow 4 sections simultaneously, illuminating the road ahead without dazzling oncoming traffic. At higher speeds, the optional laser supplementary high beam enhances visibility more than 500 meters ahead, further improving safety. The new Range Rover incorporates an impressive level of ingeniously integrated connectivity and practicality. The secure 4G Wi-Fi hotspot supports up to 8 devices at a time, and combined with numerous charging points, ensure you stay connected and fully charged wherever your journey takes you. Connect Pro allows you to communicate with your vehicle via your smartphone wherever you are. From setting the interior climate of the car, to locking and unlocking the doors, or planning and sending door-to-door routes. The new Range Rover's second-generation head-up display delivers a larger full-color image, projecting key information into the driver's line of sight. The advanced multifunction steering wheel uses hidden until lit capacitive switches to give the driver effortless control of the vehicle's functionality. The 12.3-inch high-resolution full-color interactive driver display has 4 different layouts, which can be tailored to suit the driver's preference and deliver the key information required. The Range Rover Activity Key is a durable waterproof wristband that allows the user to lock and unlock the vehicle without having to carry their key fob. Inside the new Range Rover, occupants are cocooned within a tranquil haven. New, thicker 6mm glass makes the new Range Rover our quietest drive ever and enables occupants to enjoy a first-class travel experience. The cabin air ionization system uses nanotechnology to improve the air quality inside the vehicle. The system condenses moisture from the cabin air and breaks it into tiny electrically charged particles that react with air contaminants to neutralize odors, bacteria, and allergens. Shielded by water, the particles last longer and disperse further than those from conventional ionizers, making them more effective and maintaining a healthier cabin atmosphere for longer. The ingenious gesture-activated sun blind further enhances the effortless sense of comfort and well-being inside. The blind closes automatically when the vehicle is locked, returning to its previous position when the driver returns, to help maintain a consistent cabin temperature. The gesture-activated task light has been re-engineered and repositioned for a more focused source, making the new Range Rover perfect for both work and relaxation. The executive class rear seats now offer a 40-degree powered recline for the ultimate in passenger comfort. They can also be folded to increase load space capacity. At the touch of a button, the fifth seat is replaced with the deployable rear center console, transforming the environment into the rear executive class 4-seat configuration, while the front passenger seat automatically folds away to provide even more legroom if desired. With the Comfort Controller app, seat heating, cooling, and even the hot stone massage functionality can all be controlled from your smartphone. A lightweight all-aluminium architecture underpins the new Range Rover's peerless performance. An impressive range of 6 different powertrains has been optimized to cater for all needs. Land Rover's plug-in hybrid electric vehicle represents a new and exciting chapter in the marque's distinguished history. A composed and luxurious ride with Range Rover capability and combined emissions of 64 grams per kilometre. The PHEV P400e features an efficient 2-litre Ingenium petrol engine coupled with a high-output 85 kilowatt electric motor, which deliver a combined output of 404 PS. The range of engaging petrol engines includes the exhilarating supercharged 3-litre V6 and the incredible performance of the supercharged 5-litre V8. Or choose the smooth, progressive performance of the diesel engines, ranging from the impressive 3-litre TD V6 to the exhilarating performance of the 4.4-litre twin-turbo ST V8. Peerless in all respects, this is our most capable Range Rover yet. Terrain Response 2 adjusts the vehicle's configuration to match the demands of the terrain by automatically selecting from one of 5 driving modes. The driver can also select Dynamic Mode, which tunes the suspension for tighter handling and sharper responses, or Eco Mode, where the system promotes the most efficient driving style. The all-new P400e represents an important new chapter in Range Rover's distinguished history. A composed and luxurious ride with Range Rover capability, delivered with impressive combined emissions of 64 grams per kilometre. With the option to charge at home or in designated public places, the new Range Rover is as convenient as it is impressive. Easy home and public charging is supported by the Land Rover In Control app, which allows the driver to use a smartphone to check key information like charge levels and charging times. The petrol engine and electric motor work together to produce a combined output of 404 PS, delivering the effortless drive you expect from a Range Rover. In parallel hybrid mode, the driver can choose between settings to optimize either fuel efficiency or save battery charge for later use. Or when in electric mode, the vehicle can operate as a purely electric vehicle with a range of up to 51 kilometers. The system automatically reverts to the petrol engine if the driver requires greater acceleration. The ultimate Range Rover. The new Range Rover Sport. Exceptional performance. Outstanding capability. Quite literally, in a class of its own. The distinctive Sports Command driving position elevates the driver, giving sweeping views of the road ahead and a sense of confidence and control. A lightweight all-aluminum architecture underpins the outstanding performance of the new Range Rover Sport. Dynamic mode automatically tunes the vehicle's performance by setting the throttle mapping, gearbox shift points, steering and suspension of the new Range Rover Sport to suit a dynamic driving style. Configurable dynamics allows you to further adjust the vehicle's setup to deliver a drive tailored to your specific requirements. Air suspension delivers a feeling of a sure-footed and composed drive. When cruising at a speed of 65 miles per hour or above, the air suspension will lower by up to ½ an inch, reducing drag and improving efficiency. Electronic active differential with torque vectoring by braking constantly balances the distribution of engine torque between the four wheels to deliver responsive, controlled cornering and handling, even on the tightest of curves. The new Range Rover Sport offers a choice of 4 different powertrains. The first plug-in hybrid electric vehicle from Land Rover, the P400e, represents a new and exciting chapter in the brand's distinguished history. The PHEV P400e features a 2-litre Ingenium gas engine, coupled with a high-output 102 horsepower electric motor, which deliver a combined output of 398 horsepower. There is also a range of engaging gas engines, the exhilarating supercharged 3-litre V6, and the incredible performance of the supercharged 5-litre V8. Or choose the smooth, progressive performance of a diesel engine with the impressive 3-litre TDV6. The cabin air ionization system ionizes particles in the air, making them attract to surfaces and thus helping to cleanse the air. It can be switched on or off. The ingenious gesture-activated sun blind further enhances the effortless sense of comfort and well-being inside. The blind closes automatically when the vehicle is locked, returning to its previous position when the driver returns, to prevent the cabin from overheating. Peerless in all respects, this is our most capable Range Rover Sport yet. Terrain Response 2 adjusts the vehicle's configuration to match the demands of the terrain by automatically selecting from one of 5 driving modes. The driver can also select Dynamic mode, which tunes the suspension for tighter handling and sharper responses. Or Eco mode, where the system promotes the most efficient driving style. The new Range Rover Sport, our most dynamic Range Rover.
I think the first time you arrive here, it's just totally mind-blowing. Oh, that's steep. I'm here to do the Dragon Challenge, to drive the Range Rover Sport plug-in hybrid, the 99 turns, and then drive up the 999 steps, all the way to Heaven's Gate. Tianmenshan is just shrouded in myth and legend.
对，也有很多老人说起天门山一些故事。路的话本来就是很灵动，那个99道弯就是像一条白龙盘踞在天门山。
我们这儿这个山石壁就是一兜缺，这个公路稍有不慎，那就是致命的。
Electric motors deliver instant torque. It's just going to give you that extra boost.
You ready?
我建议还是慢点儿。
我在这儿工作了13年，也就是像我们一般30、40个弯就已经够快的了，对，尖叫是很正常的。而且它的坡度又大，弯道又多，只要一点点的那个出一点点的瑕疵，都会不是小事故，很危险。所以刚开始肯定会开业会紧张。
可是如果我告诉你，他也要把车开上天门山的阶梯呢，999道阶梯，
开天梯，那个也是太那个什么了。
这个天门洞这个上天梯，就是从开园到现在，还没有人说开着车挑战这个天梯，这个危险难度特别大。
我觉得可能性不大。
那个不可能的。
那不可能的。
不可能吧？还是因为车怎么开得上去那么高的天梯
This challenge is the most extreme one we've done yet. The plug-in hybrid, having that grunt of both engine and electric will be a great benefit. But we're really pushing the limits. There really is a chance of failure. As far as I know, nothing has ever been tried like this before. This is unheard of. It's crazy.
It's very steep. It's 45 degrees. Well, yeah, it's like this, right? Yeah.
这样。
那也没那么陡，这么样子吧。是一个很可能会带来危险结果的事情。
I can't see anybody living if the car started rolling back down the hill.
如果发生这个意外，那就是车毁人亡。
Keep it straight on. All good. Nice and steady. Yeah, we're clear, mate, don't worry.
still shaking. The adrenaline is something I've never experienced before. I guess the mountain gave us one shot to make it up here. All the lucky ribbons we put on the mountain yesterday and today, have helped us to bring us up here.